Hello, little ragu bolognese in progress for my crepes manicotti. Okay, we have the trinity over here as usual. Carrots, celery, and onions, if you don't know what the trinity is. 1 clove of garlic. Okay, where is it? Can't find it. Where did it go? Nope, I found that all of them except the one that I'm looking for. Whatever. Yeah, this. I ground it on my little grinder. I love it. Okay. Let's put the meat. Where is that thing? I can't believe it. Okay, I found it. See, that's what I was looking for. This is just a little bolognese because I'm having a little manicotti. Okay, bay leaves, always. My peas, of course. Sicilian bolognese has peas. Okay, where is it? A little salt. And the rest in the back. A little red pepper flakes.